Hello mi bella fam, how are you guys? This is Angeles. Welcome to my channel. I am super excited because as you guys can see, this is a makeup look that I created for Valentine's. I know that my bella fam loves Valentine's and I created this look specifically for you guys. Something simple, something easy. You guys know me already. I want you guys to be able to do this look and have fun with it, you know, create different shades. As you guys can see, I have different shades of pink. That's why it looks like that. But if you guys want to learn more on how to do this look, let's continue. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already prepped my face. I did my eyebrows, my face, ready to go. So let's get started with the first color for this Valentine's look. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be doing is from Morphe. This is the 35S Sweet Oasis, and I'm going to show you the colors right here. And Private Villa is the first color I'm going to be using, and I'm going to grab like a very small brush. It looks like this. I'm going to grab that pink. It's super pigmented. Grab my mirror, and I'm going to go on my outer corner of my eye. And just create a diagonal line. I'm going to do the same thing to my other eye. Okay, so then for my next color, just so I can add more shade onto that pink, I'm going to show you the other color. The one is going to call Love Struck, and it's this one right here. Really nice pink as well. Really nice pink shade. Grab that pink there, and I'm going to go on a little bit on top of my other pink. I'm just going to add that shade right on top of that. Okay, so for my next pink, I want to use my Puerto Rico palette, and the pink that I chose for this palette is gonna called Vieques. Hopefully I pronounced it correctly. Vieques, right here. This nice bright violet pink color. Beautiful, beautiful color. And because it's dark, I'm gonna put it on my outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna grab my mirror. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. And if you guys can see, I'm trying to aim up. Just like that. And you guys can see the shades coming. Grab a little bit more. And gradually add that pink. Upwards, of course. And as you guys can see, I love how you can work with different shades to get this look. I can even add another one if I want to, so because I do want to. Okay, so the other color I'm going to be using is going to be from Colourpop. This is the Malibu Barbie. For my previous videos, I did a review on this palette. Beautiful palette. And I looked at the pinks that they have, and I am in love with the Best Coast and the Follow the Sun. But I'm going to be using this one right here because I want to, in my outer corner, I want to get to like deeper, darker pinks. And then to my inner corner, I want to keep with my lighter pinks. So I'm going to grab that dark pink. Bright. It's like a bright pink. And I'm going to finish that corner there. Looks just like the other one, but it's a little more brighter. If I wanted to add more, I can. And just keep it up top. Grab some more of that one. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And that is the nice, easy Valentine's look that I created for you guys. The next thing is that I love to grab one of these. And basically what I do, I have a lot of these. I grab some concealer. This is from Tarte, the Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape. This is shade 27H. And basically what I do is I grab some of that onto my little wand. And I basically try to like make it as straight as possible here. Just like that. I'm gonna do it on the other side. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so then what I do with my beauty blender is just dab, smoothing that out, just like that. Really nice. Love the shades. I'm gonna grab another brush just to blend everything, you know, don't leave it all harsh. And this is gonna be Luxie 237 blending brush. And I'm just gonna go softly. I don't wanna mix them. I just wanna get it smoother and not harsh. So just like that. Add another pink from the Morphe palette. It's gonna be Sneak a Kiss. And I love how all these pinks can relate to Valentine's now. So it's gonna be this one right here, if you guys can see it. And what I'm gonna do with this pink, I wanted to have like a pop and show that I'm not tired, that I'm ready to go for my date with my husband. So I'm gonna grab that pink and I'm gonna put it underneath my waterline. I'm gonna try to show you guys. Okay, just halfway. I didn't go all the way to the inner corner. I'm gonna add my lash mascara. This is called Lash Smoothie Sugar Rush. And I am loving this mascara because if I don't want to wear lashes, this is the best mascara ever to get that volume that I want on my lashes. So I'm gonna grab some of that. And you guys see the difference of this one to this one. It's crazy how this mascara works. It's amazing. You guys can see the difference just right there. And then do it to my other eye. I don't have to do like any trick. I just have to apply the mascara and it does its magic to my lashes. Of course, for Valentine's, I do love to wear my lashes. I have some new lashes coming up that I just purchased and I can't wait for you guys to see them, for you guys to be able to buy them. They're amazing. They're the new ones that are like trending now and I really want to show you guys, so I can't wait for that. I will be talking about them on that Valentine's video I'm going to be doing with my husband, so I can't wait for that. Stay tuned to that video. But as you guys can see, this one, you know, if you're not into lashes, just want to go, you know, with your own, this is the best product ever. And they give you the volume that you need. These right here. I'm just gonna finish up my face and show you the end result of this look. I'm gonna grab my butter bronzer. If you guys know me already with my butter bronzer, of course, going upward, 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 upward. Always try to lift the face, you know, have that face lifted. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator. This is just a highlight, so just add some highlight if I want to. It is like a liquid. So I just need a little bit, because it gives the glow that I want. Like you guys can see already, really nice. And I just dab it with my fingers, because like if you guys can see already. I'm gonna grab some more just for my other side. And if you guys can see how the glow, some beautiful, beautiful glow with that. To finish up, I'm gonna be using my Barbie from Malibu from Colourpop Golden Beach, and it's like a nude color. I didn't want to go too much, just because I want my eyes to be the pop, the highlight of my face. Something just not too much going on. Okay, so then once I am done, I'm applying my Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray right here. And what I think I'm a little bit when I feel something cold, I clench. So what I do is I just put my hands on my eyes first, because I don't want whatever is still trying to dry to get to my face. So what I do is I put my hand first, and then I spray, and then I take my hand off, just so I don't, like if I cover them and I put the spray on first, I won't clench as much. It helps. So if that helps when for you guys, so you guys don't get your makeup ruined, go right ahead and try that technique. So if you guys can see, this is the look that I created for you guys. I am obsessed. I love creating new makeup tutorials for you guys. As you guys can see, Angelus is all about easy and simplicity, and being as minimal as possible, so you guys just get to learn and get to do these makeup looks. So if you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, so every time I have a new video, you guys are updated with it. And thanks for being part of the Bella Fam. Hello Bella Fam, like always, I love leaving some advice. I've learned this week that it's good to be patient. Sometimes we ask for patience and hardest times come and you lose it sometimes, but it's good to remind yourself, you know, to be patient, and at the end of the day be like, wow, I wasn't patient today, but I'm gonna get better the next day, and just work with yourself like that.